Hey guys, just a quick dirty video. Just this new inverter generator I bought from Aldi. It was £199.99. It's a 1.8 kilowatt pure sine wave, 2 kilowatt peak. As you can see, it's quite basic. You've got your 12 volt battery charger feed, your two standard sockets, as you see there. 4-stroke, so you don't need to mix in the 2-stroke oil in with the petrol. It has its own dedicated little oil sump down there. Comes with a full service kit to get all the panels off and go from there. Doesn't come with any oil though, you have to purchase that yourself, and there are warning signs on the top because clearly people have butchered this straight out the box. But yeah, let's give the drawstring a pull. So down here, I've just switched the switch to on. I've switched the choke over to start. So you get the pull string. If you just give it a little turn over to oil up the pistons, and then you give it a pull, and then move the choke over to. So I'm still about 1.5 meters away, probably about 6 foot. That's what it sounds like. So I'm just going to use this test load of this router. As you see there, it's coming out about 233 volts, a little bit lower than normal. Should be around about 240 in the UK, but hertz over there, we run at 50 hertz, so that's perfect there. So let's give this a whirl and see if the hertz dip. So this is about 1200 watt load. Up over to the watts. Voltage now. So to simply switch off, you just go down to the switch and then you just put it into ready for the next cycle. Not bad at all, I would say.